Hey, Bolo buddies, thanks for watching. All right, you guys, in this video, we are going to talk about stuffed animals. Yep, I said stuffed animals that you can flip for a good profit. I'm going to tell you where they got it, what they paid for it, and what it sold for. So if you join my Bolo Buddies Facebook group, as seen right here, there's a link down in the description of the video. Under my link tree, you can join for free. It is a reseller group. We talk about all things reselling, all platforms welcome, with a focus on Bolo items that you can hopefully buy low and sell high. This is what the post looks at the top. It says, Plush Bolo, share a sold, see details. Share a Bolo for an opportunity to have your Bolo featured in a Bolo Buddies YouTube video. So I have this one, and then I also have a share your best monthly Bolo. And there's always way more on the other posts, but these are exclusively stuffed animals because it is just crazy what some stuffed animals sell for. But this month, it was a little slow on the shares. I do have quite a few here and some really good ones. One that is going to knock your socks off. I mean, totally unexpected. So let's go ahead and get started here. And I'll end the video with a couple that I sold as well. So please come share your plush or stuffed animal Bolo. Do you guys say plush or stuffed animal? What do you put in your title? Do you think it's important? Do you think you should have both? I feel like as resellers, we use the word plush, but I feel like people that aren't resellers maybe use the word stuffed animal in their search. So let me know what you guys think about that in the comments. This one here is a Charlie Bears Linus plush with tags designed by Isabella Lee. And this doesn't have plush or stuffed animal. Oh, it does have plush. Okay, I'm sorry. It doesn't have stuffed animal in the title. So just plush. So let's look at these listings and see what most of the sellers are doing. This one says, I got this guy at a garage sale for $4. It's in the video here. I am Retro Rewinder on all platforms. All right, you guys. So it looks like Retro Rewinder also has a YouTube channel. So go check that out. And this one sold for $130. So $4 into 130. That is fabulous. And that is just so cute. I definitely would have picked that up. Oh my goodness. It is adorable. What do you guys think? Adorable. All right. The next one is Cloud Island Brown Doodle Puppy Dog Security Blanket. All right. So I have a golden doodle, and this does not look like my doodle. It kind of does. It's the same color. But how stinking cute is that? So I will tell you that people look for things that look like their animals. So anything, any keywords in the title, if you can tell what kind of dog it is, put that in the title. And that may generate more. Instead of just putting dog, they put doodle. Does that make sense? It is a lovey. That's another word for these. These are very, very popular and they sell very well. Some of them go for crazy money and many are just bread and butter. I do the same thing. I put a tape measure across just like that. Great photos here. She said, learned a lot about selling loveys from you. Pick this up at $1.19 at the Goodwill. Sold for $23.95. $30 all in for buyer with shipping within 10 days of listing. So again, sold pretty quick, not huge money, but you guys, $1 into $23.95, that's fabulous. I'd take those margins all day long. Easy to find loveys. If you want to know about more of the big money loveys, check out Bolo Buddies Loveys and put that in the YouTube search. I think the Rebel Reseller also has a video about loveys as well. So check her out. She has a fabulous YouTube channel and she sells tons and tons of plush. That's one of her main focuses. Let me know down in the chat, how many of you guys sell exclusively plush? Anybody? This is Ollie Ella Cozy Dinkum Baby Doll Bunny Moppet Rabbit Easter. Oh my goodness. Plush stuffed cream. So again, just plush, no stuffed animal. What'd this one have? Did it have plush or just lovey? Okay. So this one does say plush. I'm just looking at the titles. Not crazy money. Paid 79 cents at the Goodwill. Had it listed for 34 and took an offer of 22. 20 times my money any day. Yeah. House and home thrifts on eBay. It's cute, right? Easy to list, easy to ship. A little big to store. Depends on your space if you want to sell plush or not. But I love selling plush. Now wait till you see the next one. Talk about big. You might not want to pick this one up if you don't have a lot of space. Hug Fun Jumbo Plush Dog 44-inch white and brown stuffed animal, excellent condition. So here's a little tip. If I have small things like this one, I usually put these in a bubble PolyMailer. I just shove it in there, right? Uh, if I have something large like this, I put it in a box. And I will typically, when I list it, if I have, like if I can put it in something to squish it down and then put it in the box, like this one's pretty big. I'm just trying to think. You can get those jumbo size Ziploc bags. You can also get like a vacuum sealer. I guess if you're selling a lot of plush, that might be a good idea because the dimensions of the package are going to increase the price of the shipping. So if you have a very large box, the person's going to have to pay more for shipping, which means they're probably not going to want to pay as much for the item. So the smaller the box, the better. So maybe a vacuum sealer thing. I don't know. I've never used one. I just will put them in Ziploc bags and squish the air out sometimes. So that's a couple things you can do. But if they pay, 70, 80, 90 and up dollars, I usually put the plush in a box. So another thing you can do is put it in a Ziploc bag before you put it in the box, just in case the box gets wet. I learned about jumbo plush from your videos. So when I saw this at the Goodwill for $6.79, I decided why not? Let's give it a shot. Comps were all over the place from Hug Fun, some high, some normal range, but couldn't find this exact one. So decided to shoot high. I liked your other examples of people posing jumbo plush on couches, etc., to show size. So decided to stage this cute guy in a chair. Took 3 months, but eventually sold for 140. Buyer was all in for 200 after shipping. I ended up partially refunding some because shipping wasn't as much as I initially calculated. But still major score. Glad for my patience and storage space. Yeah, again, big. It's big. House and home thrifts on eBay. So again, look, it's sitting in the chair. That really shows how big it is, right? Another thing is when people have realistic animals, they will put them like on the couch, like laying across the top and different things like that. And when they look realistic, it's really crazy how real some of them look. Check out some of my other stuffed animal Bolo videos. I think I did one on dogs. All right. And Mercari, Poshmark, you can sell stuffed animals over there as well, guys. So check out those other platforms. And I do have referral links down below. If you use those to join Poshmark and Mercari, you will get money to shop. And then I get money to shop also. So definitely use those referral links. And when you get money to shop, you can buy something, support another reseller, and then flip the item and make some money, right? Good plan. All right, here's the next one. Little baby bum icy, or no, I'm sorry, Incy Wincy spider stuffed plush from 2016. But you guys, wait, no sound. There's no sound box. It doesn't work. Bought this plush from a thrift store for a quarter and it sold for $244 in 2 weeks. What? You guys, that is crazy, right? She said, my eBay store is flipping fantastic finds. This is a flipping fantastic find, if I must say. Look, the sound box is gone, missing. That's crazy. She said she's trying to start a YouTube and it is, oh, I think is it Nigel Resells? Nigel Resells. So you guys can type that into YouTube. I hope I pronounced your name right, honey. Thank you so much for your reseller knowledge and for sharing. This is one of the best bolos ever. No sound box, paid a quarter and sold for $244. Do you love it? Okay, you guys got to tell me down below. Is that not the best? Love it. Give her a follow, guys. This one is a For Real Friends newborn love cub, Hasbro baby panda bear from 2004. Video interactive, so you can watch it right here. Are those scissors? What's she doing to it? What you doing to it? Wonder if we can play it. Let's see. Does it talk? I think it just moves. All right, here we go. So she said, paid $1 at a church sale, sold for 51, shipped on best offer in 5 months. Piece of scrap on eBay and YouTube. Yeah, you guys check her out. So do I recommend doing a video on items that are animated? Absolutely. Yes. Yes. And picture the tag. Yep, I do that too. Anything that gives the buyer the info. She did a great job with photos. So piece of scrap, guys, check her out. This is a musical animated Christmas reindeer plush, and she's got this also, but because it plays music, some of it has copyright on it, so I don't want to play that. But you guys can see there, anything that's animated, plays music, does things, look those up. A lot of times they do really well. She said paid $3 at a thrift store, sold it for $29.42. Buyer was all in for 41, and piece of scrap on eBay and YouTube. All right, so this one is mine. I picked this guy up at the Goodwill bins. It is a vintage Dan Breckner plush bear, and he's got on his little overalls. He's a harder to find one. Not a lot of comps. And I sold this for $42, and the buyer paid ships. There's the tag. And I don't know why it looks like that on the hiney, but it does. You think maybe it was, I don't know, repaired? Huh. All right, you guys, that was that one. And then I have one more for you. This one was really unexpected too. I got this in a free plush haul. Somebody gave me a whole bunch of plush, which was super, super sweet. This is an advertising Kroger mascot. Weird, right? $24.86 plus shipping on this guy. GPI is the brand. So it's just for Kroger advertising. So don't be afraid to pick up the weird things also, because sometimes they sell. All right, guys, thanks so much for being here. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Go over to the Facebook group and join and share your big money bolo. And please shout out if you're on YouTube or if you're on Whatnot, your eBay store name or Mercari, whatever you're selling, wherever you want to bring people to. Put that in your post and share it, and I will read it when I share your bolo. It's a great way to get more eyes on maybe your eBay store, your Whatnot, your YouTube, whatever you're trying to grow, right? I'm Bolo Buddies over on Whatnot, so come follow me. I do mostly jewelry, but I do have a toy show and ephemera show scheduled, so you guys can bookmark those. And let's see what else. Let me know if you have any questions. I do have you guys know I use List Perfectly, and you can now cross post to Whatnot. So I've been working really hard to get a lot of my items over to Whatnot. So I've already had multiple sales from organically, just not during a show. And I've had lots of sales during my shows from the Buy It Now. So if you are selling on Whatnot and you are not bringing your items over from other platforms, definitely think about doing that. I think that market is going to continue to grow as people start to put more items over on that platform as Buy It Now. One thing that I think is, for me, I don't really go on Whatnot and search for things that I'm looking for in the Buy It Now, and I probably should start doing that more. And I think I sold, what was it? Oh, it was a little Christmas Ernie, like Bert and Ernie. It was a little Christmas figurine. Wasn't a big money bolo. It was like $10 sale, but it was an organic Buy It Now sale that just randomly happened the other day. So somebody searched Whatnot for it, or it showed up on Google. Maybe somebody searched Google and it showed up there. I did have the item cross posted, and it sold fastest on Whatnot. So there you go. I should do a what sold on Whatnot from my Buy It Now. Would you guys like to see something like that? Let me know down in the comments. All right, you guys. So if you're not on List Perfectly, check it out. I do have a tutorial on how to cross post to Whatnot and Mercari and Poshmark. And that's new. It's a newer video, so check that out. And then I have some other videos that show you how to list directly into List Perfectly. Lots of great features. 30% off your first month with coupon referral code bolobuddies, all one word, and the referral link down below. So definitely use that to get your 30% off. You can also use that if you're going to upgrade to a plan you've never been on. So if you guys have any questions about that, you can throw them down in the comments. Thank you so much for being here, and I will see you soon. Thanks for watching.